debt concerns weighing on stocks. Courtney Donohoe has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Courtney.
Pimm, a down day for stocks. The European debt crisis still in the forefront for investors. Demonstrators in a dozen European cities marching against government spending cuts. 100,000 protesters descending on Brussels. Spanish workers disrupting transportation and television broadcasts. Rail, communications, and port workers staging strike in Athens. But it's also been a tough day, too, for the retail stocks. H&M said third-quarter earnings and margins missing estimates. Analysts say the retailer may be spending more on production without passing the full cost on to customers or cutting the prices. On that, Urban Outfitters taking a hit, worst performer today in the S&P. J.Crew also dropping after Janney Montgomery Scott cut the company's rating to neutral from buy, and they say it's because of an increasingly competitive environment. They're concerned about the increasing promotions, the warm weather that we have here, and the weak consumer appetite. And financials, too, struggling. Meredith Whitney and analysts at William Blair cutting earnings estimates for Goldman and Morgan Stanley. William Blair said it's because of weaker trading activity, and Goldman stepping in and trimming estimates for Morgan Stanley on investment banking earnings. Pimm.
Now, Courtney, one group that did do well today, energy stocks finishing higher. What did they see? What was the issue with energy stocks?
Well, energy was the best performing group today of the 10 major S&P sectors. Crude rising to a 7-week high. Inventories unexpectedly falling last week. But supplies, they're still above the 5-year average, 13% above that average exactly. And we saw names like Sunoco, Halliburton, Schlumberger all rising. Well, another factor that also tempered the down day a bit, Hewlett-Packard's 2011 forecasts that were better than expectations. The company's making acquisitions, hiring sales staff, and HP expects to grow as the board continues searching for Mark Hurd's replacement.
All right, I want to thank you very much. Courtney Donohoe reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.